Hello everyone, today we will learn Roman numbers. Roman number basically used in ancient Roman. There are 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. And I represent 1, B represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 100, D represent 500, M represent 1000. So how can you write different Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman number? Look at this one-digit number 2. So we have 1. I represent 1, but how can you write this 2? We can repeat this I 2 times, which means 2. That means there are some rules, there are some letters which we can repeat up to 3 times. So they are I, X, C and M. These 4 letters we can repeat up to 3 times. This means 2 is equals to I means how? There are 2 I's, 2 into I represent 1, so 1 which means 2. Similarly, how can you write 3? So 3 means I mean I, 3 times I represent 1, so 1 which is 3. Look at this another example. How can you write 4? We cannot repeat I. As I already told you, we cannot repeat this I more than 3 times. So how can you write this? For that, we have another rules. We have to write P first. P represents 5, so 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 means the letters, smaller letters we have to write before the greater letter. You have to remember here, B is the greater letter, I is the smaller letter. So I comes before B, which means subtraction. So 5 minus 1, which is 4. Now I can write 6. Pi. Pi means B. I comes after B, means that if the smaller letter comes after the greater letter, that means addition. That is the rules. So which is 6. Now let's see 9. How can you write 9? 9. So we have to write first X 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's why we need to write 1 before this X, which is 10 minus 1 is 9. In this way, we can write 1-digit number or 2-digit number into Roman number. Look at this 2-digit number. So 38. How can you write 38? So 30 you can write here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So how can you write this 8? P first. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, which represent 38. How can you write 40 here? For 40, we use the same rules here. You can write first L, because we don't have special symbols for L. 40. So L is 50. L represents 50. So 50 minus 10 is obviously 40. So X we can write before this L. XL is 40. And what about 60? We write first L. 50 plus 10 is plus 10 means we write X after this greater letter. One more example, 19. C represents 100 and 100 minus 10. Minus 10 means X here. 100 minus 10 is 90. So let's say 96. So for that 90 is XC is 96 PI. So in this way we can write 2-digit number also. Let's take 3-digit number like 685. So when you write this 3-digit number, at first we have to write in expanded form, which is 600 plus 80 plus 5. What is the expanded form of 685? 600 plus 80 plus 5. Now you have to write first 600. We don't have 600. D represents 500. So 500 minus 100 is 500 plus 100 is 600. So 500 plus 100 is 600, means we had 6 here. 500 plus 1 plus 80, 50, 60, 70, 80. 5 is P. So in this way we can write 685. Look at this one more example. 525. 500. So we write first expanded form of 525, which is 500 plus 20 plus 5. 500 represents D represents 500, so D, 20 is XX and 500 is V. Let's take one more example. 952. 900 plus 50 plus 2. So 900, how can you write 900? You don't have 900 here, so write first 1000 M. 1000 minus 100 is 900. 50 is L is 50, 2 I. So in this way we can write 3-digit number also very easily. Hope this video is helpful to write Roman numbers up to 3-digit number. Thank you for watching this video.